Okay, here's my beauty room. Again, doing a quick tour. I'm moving today, so I'm having to take all this stuff down today before these movers get here in an hour. So just wanted to show you guys this room so you'll see some stuff is out of place, but it'll get fixed when it gets a new place. So I want to give you a general idea of how things are here. Starting from, this is a I think you call it like a jewelry holder, but I wanted to refinish it, so I want to redo it. And this is my decal wall. Some of these things I've hauled already before, but this is the way I have this wall, and I have this pink CT there. And then these bookshelves I have right here. The logic that I had with that was, on one side I wanted to do all my jewelry, on the other side I do makeup. So up top we have more clutches and small purses, bracelets, and then I hauled a lot of these things already, but these are bracelet holders. And again, we'll go into more detail later on where I got things, and I'm just showing you how I have it set up. Those are my cosmetics bags and those little bins from the Dollar Tree. And well, that's piece fell out. Again, I'm moving, so I just want to give you a general idea. And I have this mannequin here with the long necklaces that can get tangled up. I put it around her neck, and I have a rose ball up top that I spray painted pink. It was burgundy. And then I have these three ladies that the logic is supposed to be a silver jewelry, gold jewelry, and then stuff that's not gold or silver. And the same thing, but this is supposed to have been silver jewelry on one, gold jewelry on the other, and up here are the random ones. And up top here I have most of my loose pigment, my chapstick, and the L'Oreal Hip eye cream eyeshadows. And then I have my palettes, my fingernail polish, my lip gloss, and concealers, and just some of my favorite heels that I like to look at. And I redid this dresser right here in the mosaic mirror, and I got this mirror here from OfferUp. It was only 20 bucks. Can you believe that? It's heavy too. Then I have this chair here with that same lip print that I have on the wall here. I got them to go together, and I really like the way that they turned out. So again, this is this wall here. When you come in, the way my place is set up now is completely different, so it's going to be interesting to see how this is going to turn out. And this is the chandelier, a plug-in chandelier that I hung by a hook that I got from Wayfair. And this is a regular full-length mirror that I just put the gold adhesive on it, and I put curtains here. I wanted to put lights behind it, but I'm getting ready to go now, so this will be a moot point at this point. And then right here on this wall, you better look at that, is how we have the CT and all the pictures here. And the floor needs to be swept, but again, I'm moving. And right here is not a rug, actually it's a throw, but it's a thick throw, so I just used it to put as a rug in the floor. So you're going to try that as an option. Then here is the chair that came with this armoire here, and it's a IKEA old one that I got from a person on OfferUp. And here I normally have shoes, but again, stuff is not where it's supposed to be right now because I'm moving, I'm packing stuff, but you'll get the general idea. And here I have all my crafting stuff, so I can be able to come in and grab it and just pull out whatever I need. And in those drawers I just have random stuff that don't necessarily have a place yet. And then on top I have these basically decoration. All my extra photos are in here, any special papers or anything. And the perfumes were in this drawer, but I took most of them out because my sister told me that if you expose them to light, they don't stay as strong. So I just had the random ones I don't use in there for decoration. And that's what it looks like on this wall. This is something I have here. Again, it did have stuff on it, but I'm starting to move. So let me try to give you a view of the whole room. Hopefully you like this beauty room / dressing room tour. I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and share it with anyone you think that would love this information. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.